You have 60 seconds to correctly unscramble the name of a famous athlete whose name you should know, and while you lean on into that, we're going to lean on into this. It's the time and the bird.
America!